In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up Claude AI and get faster, smoother responses. If Claude ever feels a bit slow or unresponsive, a few simple adjustments can make a big difference, and I'll walk you through them step by step in a clear, practical way. First, open Claude AI at claude.com and sign into your account. Being signed in ensures you're using the full experience and that your conversations are saved and ready to pick up where you left off. Once you're in, keep the Claude tab front and center so you can focus on your prompt and see responses as soon as they arrive. Next, close other browser tabs or applications that are using internet bandwidth to free up speed. Streaming video, cloud backups, large downloads, or even open tabs constantly refreshing in the background can compete for your connection and your computer's resources. Shutting those down while you use Claude can noticeably reduce delays and help the page and responses load more smoothly. When you're ready to prompt, use shorter prompts instead of very long instructions. Clarity and brevity help Claude process your request faster and more accurately. Think of it like giving a clear headline first, then building from there. For example, instead of pasting a huge wall of text with multiple demands, start with a direct goal and one or two key constraints. If you need more depth, follow up with targeted clarifications. This approach reduces the initial load and keeps the conversation focused. If you're working with documents, avoid uploading very large files all at once. Split your materials into smaller, logical sections for analysis. You might label them Part 1, Part 2, and so on, and briefly state what each section covers. This helps Claude process each piece quickly, and it also makes it easier for you to track the conversation and refine the analysis as you go, without waiting on a massive upload to finish. Finally, be patient with responses, and if needed, refresh the chat or retry after a few seconds to continue smoothly. Sometimes a brief network hiccup or a momentary load on the server can slow things down. Giving it a short pause, then refreshing or sending the request again often gets everything back on track without losing your place. And that's it. Sign in at claude.com, free up bandwidth, keep prompts concise, split large files into smaller parts, and give it a moment before refreshing if things slow down. Try these tips the next time you use Claude, and you should notice a faster, more seamless experience.